Hi, teacher. Good afternoon. My name is Maria Chel Guevara Barrinuevo. I am in the Faculty of Medicine in 5th grade, Section B, and today I'm going to talk about my community project that it's called Let's Plant Trees. Let's talk about some benefits of planting trees. Well, they have the ability to reduce the greenhouse effect through two different processes related to the carbon cycle, the fixation or capture of carbon, and the reduction of emissions due to deforestation and also forest degradation. Trees during their growth absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and convert it into carbon that is stored in their trunk, roots, and also leaves. Additionally, carbon is stored in the soil, in organic matter at ground level, and in dead trees. In addition, trees produce oxygen, purify the air, form fertile soils, prevent erosions, maintain clean rivers, capture water for aquifers, serve as a refuge of fauna, reduce soil temperature, promote the establishment of other species, and also regenerate natural resources. To plant a tree is to cultivate the hope of a better life. Worldwide, each year we deforest approximately an area equivalent to Panama, that is about 74,000 to 93,000 kilometers. It is estimated that more than 28,000 species of plants and animals will disappear in the next 25 years due to fires and also deforestation. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. Okay, here we got to gather a small group of people in each sector of the community. Each team will be designed to a specific area where they will place the trees that correspond to them. The task will be divided in planting trees and maintaining them. Weekly, 5 trees have to be planted in the sector. If we consider this number per week, per month, we will have 20 trees and 20 trees planet, and in a year 240 trees. Everyone will participate role in the task. It is a long-term project since the maintenance and care of the trees is required to meet the objective of improving the environment. My community will be benefit because it has a lack of trees. It looks like a desert place. It's dry and it's hot. And I think we will fix it with some trees. We will have fresh air and also beautiful sights. The trees we might take it from Peñoles. So some of them are maple. It is a pyramid species of a medium size and a very dense growth. We got oak, jacarandas, poplar, and also linden. Let's talk about the materials we are gonna use it. Well, first of all, we are gonna need a tree or a bush, a planet substrate, a tutor, the rubber ties or rubber is fabric, a composed organic compost, and shovel or sticks, a cube, and also water you can or could be a hose. About the steps to plant a tree, well, we got to locate a place with light. We are gonna make a 40 for 40 centimeters hole. Then you got to put the compost in the bottom, place the tree in the hole, cover with farm soil, and tie a guide so that it grows straight. Make a well for deep irrigations, and you got to water your tree every 3 days. And that will be everything. We just have to decide the day to start the great change in the community. And that will be everything for my project. Thank you for your attention, teacher.